Hello YouTube world, it's your girl who's slimchelle. I am back one more time in the YouTube house. I'm back with a shout out. I would like to share with you guys the channel that I support, and she supports my channel back. She's awesome. In her channel she gives you helpful videos and tutorials to show you where to go and how to achieve what she be showing us in videos and whatnot. Her channel name is Nature Simplistic Beauty Motivation. On her channel, it's about motivation, sharing inspirational, motivational content that will help others grow in life and on their YouTube journey. Also, she shares nature photos. Inspirations is her passion. So I'm going to place her link down there. Click on that link, tell her you was sent by slimchelle to join her channel, and trust and believe me, you go to her channel, she welcomes you with open arms. She's down to earth. She's beautiful inside and out. I love her spirit, love her personality. I enjoy her videos, and she enjoys my videos as well. And like I said before, I'm going to always say this here, it's enough for us to go around top of each other's channel to what? Grow. That's the main key focus, is helping us grow. It's not about the numbers, it's not about how many subscribers we got, it's about the loyalty of subscribers that we have that come to our channel faithfully every single day, giving us their love and support no matter what. You may not get to watch all videos, that's cool. As long as you watch a video, it's all good. You know, to get support, you have to give support. And I must say, she does exactly that. So I'm going to put my girl link down there, like I said before. Click on that link and tell you was sent by slimchelle. And I think of another person that I would like to shout out in another video. Not right now, it will be later down the line. I'll be doing videos like I said later down the line, meaning I'll pick them people that I see that's really down to earth and show me support. It's my way of saying thank you guys for always supporting my channel. You never know when your name might come up in my video. You never know. I appreciate the support. I appreciate everybody. And welcome to my new subscribers. And thank you as always to my old subscribers. Talk to you guys in my next video, whenever that may be. Peace, love, blessings. Stay blessed, stay prayed up. And until then, peace. Deuces. Bye bye.